Hello everyone, welcome to Art for Peace Awards and Worldwide Youth Congress.net. I'm here, Dame Muni Ibrowni. Today I thought I'll take some time to explain what is Worldwide Youth Congress. Worldwide Youth Congress, it came and presented by Art for Peace Awards. This came out of the urgency from this pandemic and all the stuff. We are the most active global peace community. So we had a global webinar and we decided to do this. And the name Worldwide Youth Congress was Mr. Dusty, my brother. So this name and all this work that we are doing for Worldwide Youth Congress, it requires not too much time from anyone. If you are applying for a mentorship, you only require to spend 2 to 3 hours a year on mentoring the kids. If you are applying for a ministry level, you have some qualification there, but if you apply for the ministry level, first look at your compassion. There are 34 ministries, so look at it what you really, really like. Then when you have a compassion, you're going to be good at that. Once you join the ministry, you need to have 50 cabinet members under you, and you need them to vote for you next year in May when we have election. You want those people to help you to run your government in that section. So you meet once a month. So you can go ahead and do whatever you are doing. You can continue with your work, you can continue with, and if you can't make it that particular day, then you have a vice president and you have the treasury and you have all this cabinet member. Other person can lead. Try to find people smarter than you, see? I want you to forgive me. I have these things here and I was in the car accident, but I'm here, I'm injured, healing, but I'm keep working to the best I can because there's so much time we have here. So I'll take my time today and explain to you what and how you can participate. I have done my job by launching this project. I spent tons of money putting in long hours of work. It bothers me to sit, it bothers me to stand up, but I'm doing it the best I can to serve because so much time I have here. And if you want to be a member, you can just be a member. It's fine. If you have a business, you can go on the vendors list. You put your business there and just give perk to our members. You can give a discount, you can give perks, whatever. And you put our logo on your website that we are partnering together. We have also ordered an app, this app coming up where our vendors are going to advertise you. Okay, it's all done from me, my heart to your heart. We have an event, we have a news, you have a news, send it to me. We are partnering with Hollywood Weekly magazine, Upward magazine. We have many magazines that are willing to give 4 or 5 pages a month where we can have our news published on constant level. Do you understand? So we will have a voice. I already have a TV show that's coming up and we will have a radio show. I will announce it pretty soon. I'm working hard on that too. So we will have a voice. This Youth Congress is a shadow government for the youth that stands for nonviolence, wisdom, love, and peace. And these kids will be all centered. They will have an environment. We will give them tools how to be a better human so they don't have to go the drug way. They don't have to go the other negative way. We will give them tools what to do. Plus they're going to find their purpose working with us. So this came with urgency of what to do with the youth. Because I've been around youth for 40 years, I know exactly what I need to do. Normally, people would have waited, so let somebody has donate money and this, and then I'll do it. I didn't do that. I'm a leader. I took action. I came to me and I just start working on it because I am a believer. See, the success of Art for Peace Award is not normal. It's doing 6-7 projects with success. And it comes because it is born to serve. So Worldwide Youth Congress is also born to have a positive change in their country, whatever country they belong to. And our youth will have connection. They're going to be a better human. They're going to be constructive people. Because see, when they are in drugs and they're wasted away, they become stress on the community, stress on the government, stress on their family. See? So I created this to assist everyone, to promote your business, to promote you. So if you do good business, I will be very happy because I'm creating jobs, I'm creating smart business, and I'm creating love and peace. So since I don't exist, you exist. And my heart to your heart, love and peace. Join, donate, be a part of worldwideyouthcongress.net. I have done my job for 40 years, and your turn, you come and take over. Next year we'll have election by May. So everybody will have their titles and everything done. And meanwhile here, let's join and get things done. We need 3,000 members right now. So get going and help me because it's yours, not from me. I'm already retired. I don't have to do anything. I'm doing it out of a purpose. So stay blessed. My heart to your heart, love and peace together will make a positive change.